Alright, you gonna do anything? Hi everybody, I'm Craftsman Steve and this is the Family Craftsman. I'm here with my apprentice Tripp, aka Stephen John Thompson III. And we are going to do some more sanding. Last time you saw Apprentice Thomas use the little palm sander. Now Tripp's a little bit bigger, a little bit more noteworthy with the construction materials, right? Yep. Alright, so we are going to use the monster sander. Oh my goodness, how big is this thing? Is this heavy? You pick that up. Oh, strong muscles. Okay, so now this particular sander is called a belt sander. Before we plug this in, I want to show you all the nomenclature, which nomenclature means all the little itty-bitty parts. We have the bed where the paper lies, right? It's a roll of paper with sand on it. Feel that? It's really coarse, huh? Really rough. Now, the purpose of a belt sander is to remove a lot of material really fast, huh? That's why this thing's got a huge 1 horsepower engine. That's a lot of power. And it moves really coarse sandpaper really, really fast. So this is a little bit more dangerous than the palm sander. That's pretty safe. But I think he can handle it and I'll be right here with him. Remember, you never use a tool without an adult present. Okay? Alright, so you know all the safety rules, right? I know. So, you don't touch the on button until I tell you to, right? We are going to do this nice piece of ash. We're going to get rid of these markings and all this rough stuff. I already did the side with the hand cleaner, so we're going to do the top and make it nice and smooth. Let's go ahead and put some workbench clips on. We'll do one side at a time. How's that sound? Okay, are you ready for this? It's really loud. Ready? Ready? Oh, I'm going to plug it in. See, even Craftsman Steve sometimes has brain farts. Okay, it is active, which means it is on, okay? So, I'm going to have you hold this part. You hold this handle like that. Okay, you ready? I'm going to let you feel it so you know what you're expecting, okay? Woo! Is that scary? A little bit? No? Good, good, good. Okay, we're going to keep this down like this. Actually, I'll move that out a little bit. Move your chair out just a little bit. You got it? Okay, here, grab one of that again. Remember, keep this hand away from it. So why don't we grab it on 2 hands? Because you don't want to put your hand near that belt. It'll rip the skin. Well, you just don't want to do it. Okay, ready? Okay, let's look at what we did. Wow, that's really rough, huh? Feel it. Is that really rough? We ripped that whole top layer off, and so it's nice and rough, but we also got rid of a lot of those markings, huh? Okay? So, what do you do when that's all done? When that's all rough like that? Because we use this really coarse sandpaper, we're going to follow it up with a really light sandpaper, and that's where that palm sander comes back in, okay? Let's get that palm sander back out here. That fun one? Okay, now we're back with my favorite little hand sander, and this is a orbital palm sander, and it's one of the safer ones, quieter ones. You can pretty much touch it, it's not going to hurt you, okay? But probably want to keep your hands away from it anyways. I was just doing that to show you that it's not going to hurt you. Alright, so we got the 120 grit on here. We went with the 40 grit rough sandpaper. Can you finish this off with the 120 grit and make it nice and smooth? Alright, you got it? Ready? 2 hands. 2 hands. 2 hands. There you go. You got me. It's smooth. Huh? Did some work for you? Alright. I'll tell you. Good. push down. Oh, there we go. Get over here. There you go. So, we've got to use two different sanders. We've got to use the belt sander and the orbital sander, right? I think next, we're going to use some saws. Now, it's going to be a little more dangerous for Daddy's going to do that all by himself, okay? Okay. So, join us next time. Until then, be creative, keep learning. Alright. I'm going to finish this up. I'm going to go inside. Alright, you got it? You got it? You good? See, did that help? Look at that. Is that nice and smooth? Feel it. Is that much better? You did that. Oh yeah, that's called a knot. And that's where basically a branch was coming out. Right? So when you cut it down, you end up with a knot. That's where a branch was. Kind of a fun little fact, huh? So this was probably a little twig right there, huh? Alright, you want to head back inside? You done with the shop for today? You put in a hard day's work, you deserve a nice cup of water.